Hello friends, welcome to Pixelat 3D. Today we are going to discuss about 3D shapes in Paint 3D. There are two parts in this video. Today we are discussing the first part. Paint 3D is not available in Windows 11. It's only available in Windows 10. Those who uninstalled Paint 3D from Windows 10 cannot reinstall it because it's not available in Microsoft Store now. Let's start the video. Click on the 3D shapes icon. There are 5 custom made 3D models available here. We can modify them by using these available features. There are 10 3D objects available here. We can use these 3D objects for making any 3D model. There are 3D doodles available here. We will discuss about 3D doodles in next video. Now we are discussing about 3D models and 3D objects. Coming to 3D model, first is the man model. Click on that icon. Then click on the canvas. The model appears. By clicking this x-axis rotation icon, we can flip the model in x-axis. By clicking on the y-axis rotation icon, we can spin on the y-axis. By clicking on the z-axis rotation, we can rotate the model on z-axis. By clicking on the z-axis position, we can slide the model forward and backward in the z-axis. By clicking on this zoom icon, we can zoom in or zoom out the model. There are 4 more models available here. One, the woman model, then the dog model, then the cat model, then the fish model. We can give colors to these models by using the brushes icon. For example, the fill icon, or select the color, click on that icon and to the model, it will be colored. Coming to 3D objects, first one is a cube. The second one is a sphere. Third one is a hemisphere. Fourth one is a cone. Fifth one is a pyramid. Sixth is a cylinder. Seventh is a tube. Eighth is a capsule. Ninth is a curved cylinder. Then the last one is a donut. Now we can make a 3D model using these 3D objects. Click on the cylinder. Adjust its size. Click on the hemisphere. Adjust its size. Click on the y-axis rotation icon. Spin the hemisphere and correct its position. Slide the object in z-axis. After adjusting the size and position, we have to join these two objects. For joining, select the two objects. Then click on this group icon. It will be joined. If you want to separate the objects, select the object. Click on the ungroup icon. It will be separate. After joining the objects, we have to look at the position of the objects by rotating this. Click on the sphere. Adjust its size. Click on the tube. have to slide it on the Z axis to make it slide forward or backward. Click on the cylinder. Adjust its size. Now we can give texture to this model. Click on the sticker icon. There are 8 textures available here. If you want to give our own sticker, click on this custom sticker icon. Then click on the art sticker. We can upload. Now we are selecting the wood texture. Click on that icon. Add wood texture. Now we have made a natural beautiful wooden bottle. We made this bottle using these 3D objects. We can make any 3D model using these 3D objects. We are winding up today's session. We can look at the 3D doodles on the next video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.